Hey everyone! Welcome to your Thread Faction Sewn Episode 1 bonus content! If you're looking for the actual episode, you'll find a link to that in the description box. But what we're here for now is a beginner knit sewing basics mini course. We're going to cover off what I believe to be the 5 basic knit sewing skills that should get you up and sewing with knits in no time. We're going to cover off seams, hems, bands, bindings and elastic. This clip is going to cover off elastics. For all the others, check the description box. Bonus! So, elastics. Just like bindings, there are loads of different ways to sew elastic to a knit garment. The method I'm going to show you today is fast, it's easy, and it stops that elastic from doing that twisty thing that it does sometimes. This method is great for things like leggings or the pants in my new girl's pants and tank pattern. You're going to need a garment that requires elastic and a piece of elastic. So, as it happens, I have here a garment that needs elastic and a piece of elastic. What are the chances? First thing we need to do is join our elastic in a loop. Just overlap the ends. And use a zigzag stitch. There we go, that's not going anywhere. Now we're going to divide the elastic into 4 and mark it with a pin. We're going to do the same with the top of the garment, 2 at the side seams, and then 1 each at the centre back and centre front. Take your elastic, place it inside the opening, lining up the top of the elastic with the top of your fabric, the raw edge. Now we're going to use a wide zigzag stitch to sew the top of the elastic right along the top of the elastic to the fabric. The elastic is just a touch shorter than the top of the fabric, so gently stretch the elastic to match it up as you go. So there you've got your elastic attached to the top of your fabric. Now what we're going to do is turn it towards the inside and make sure it's pressed up hard against the edge there. So from this side, turn it, make sure it's hard pressed up against the top. And then we're going to sew around here. Now you can use whichever stretch stitch you like to anchor this down. I often use a twin needle. You need to sew your twin needle from this side. If you want some details on twin needles, check out the hems episode. But for now, I'm going to show you what it's like with a zigzag. So I'm going to sew it from this side. I'm just going to sew it down right along the edge. Folding it over and making sure it's hard up against the edge there. Again, this is something you can throw in a few pins or use some clips to make sure it's hard along the edge as you go around, especially if you're new. So there you go. Like I said, one of the many ways to apply elastic to knits, but this way the elastics can't twist in there at all because it's sewn in. There's no rough elastic against the skin. It's a nice clean finish from the outside. It's with the zigzag stitch, or you can obviously opt for whatever stitch you like there. Perfect for things like these little pants or leggings or anything like that. Thanks for watching this Thread Faction Sewn bonus. See you next time.